Hi there. In this quick video we will be taking a look at this polishing set and abrasive polishing compound from Lidl. They will be a bit misused because I need to polish this, which is a separate video linked in the description. So they are not really made for this, as you can see right here. Actually somewhere else it told us, let's see, do we have yeah, pre and post polishing, smooth surfaces, metal, stone, wood, hard plastics. Meh, hard enough, I guess. So yeah, we'll see. Maximum speed 4000 rpm, no way near that we will be going because I don't want to damage the plastic. And this is mostly for paint, but I'm going to use it a tiny bit on this headlight and see how it works. So yes, we are abusing this a little bit. Feel free to read all of this info. And yeah, where's the English version? You can read it also here. And we'll see. I will not be using now the polishing paste included in here. I will just be using this thingy with this particular paste. Well, actually no, this is not intended for something like that. This I hoped I could use, but it's actually a disc. I was hoping it's full on one side. Well, it's not. This is something that I was searching for in this, but basically it's too small in diameter and it would take too long. So I'm going to do the weirdest thing possible and basically use this by hand, put polishing paste on it and just use it like that as a block, maybe, so to say. This is not at all intended for what I'm doing here, so I'm misusing it to the highest degree. But yeah, I hope I can somehow manage to do what I need. Let's put this back and take a better look later at it, because yeah, it's not the moment now. I have no idea what this is, but we don't care. Squirted too much of the polishing paste onto this, but hey, there's that. Let's see how this goes. Let's polish. Elbow grease. I'm losing daylight really quickly, but first impression, this is working really well. But I might need to finish tomorrow because I literally cannot see what I'm doing. I didn't want to do it in the middle of the day because it was too hot and you are not supposed to do any of this under the direct sun. But it got way too late at this point. So wipe this off. I don't want to leave any polishing paste on this overnight. Wipe it fully off and make it clean, and continue tomorrow. Job finished, and at the end of the day this thing worked really well, even for headlights, although it's not meant for them, so buy it more for what it's meant to do. But I finished it all on 2 headlights. They were really bad, but they are perfect now. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, a good while later, I didn't have any other job for the moment, so did use this for a bit, but was not exactly the tool, the right tool for the job. And I just realized I'm a dumbass, and actually I was supposed to hold it in place with these 2 thingies, so I will disassemble it and attach those. And those are also used, as you can see, for this one. I will show you that in a moment. And also I wrote on this 1 and 2, actually scratched on them, just because I'm not going to be keeping this around, so I need to know which one of them is the initial one and which one of them, where's English? Where's the pre-polishing and the polishing? And this also will not be staying around. So let me disassemble this and show you how you normally assemble it, because I was again a dumbass. Also, this will not be kept around forever. What I want to show you, the way this is meant to go, it's something like, ah, come on. something like this, then through the disc itself, and then this comes like that from the other side, and the screw comes on top of it. But first time I was not really careful what I was doing, because I was in a hurry to get my wife's headlights polished, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I cannot do this with one hand, but this is the idea. It wasn't working because this screw has the reverse direction, so you tighten it like this and untighten like you normally tighten any other screw. Anyway, there's that. This is how it's supposed. Yeah, you do your best to center all of this, tighten it in place, and this is how you're supposed to use this. And for this other one, this thing is go in, I keep forgetting, this is in reverse. Just it's taking into consideration the rotation direction of most tools, and this is why they made it in reverse, so it tightens and not untightens. These are supposed to go in reverse compared to this, so like this on both sides, and then just the screw through them like you would do before, and then simply put the screw in and remember its direction, obviously. And that's it. So yeah, this I also did not use until now, did not need it. This also, only this, and partially improperly, actually quite improperly, but anyway. And that's about it. And the polishing paste that I also show in this video is already thrown away. I used it all and it was really good, so I need to buy more when it comes again at Lidl. And yeah, you can ask me about these things, how they fare over the years, but yeah, they will not see that much use with me, just from time to time, who knows what sort of jobs I will have, but it's really good to have them around. It's worse when you need them and you don't have them. They were quite cheap. So yeah, up until now, everything fine, no complaints with this whatsoever, but neither have I properly used these things, so I have no freaking clue if they are good, but that also depends a lot on the material that you are trying to polish, because different materials polish in different ways. So I am expecting this to be sort of the universal thing. For softer materials it will work really fast, for harder it will take a long time. But the other polishing paste, I can tell you for sure, that's really good for cars at least. So yeah, that's about it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.